Hello friends, try this delicious Kulfi protein shake. It is so easy to prepare. It tastes amazing.
Forever Lite Ultra Kulfi is a game changer for anyone who loves a good treat without the guilt. Imagine indulging in the rich, creamy goodness of traditional Kulfi, but with fewer calories and more protein. It is like having your cake and eating it too. What I love about it is that it is made with real ingredients, so you are not just getting empty calories. Plus, it is super versatile. You can enjoy it straight from the tub, or get creative and blend it into smoothies. You can even use it as a topping for your favorite desserts. From classic pistachio to mango, there is something to satisfy every craving. It is perfect for those hot days, when you want something refreshing but still want to stick to your health goals. So, if you are looking for a delicious way to treat yourself without the guilt, Forever Lite Ultra Kulfi is definitely worth a try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.